Most people think the biggest risk in the stock market is losing money. They are wrong. The biggest risk is not losing money, it's losing time. Every single month you wait to start investing, you aren't just missing out on a few dollars. You are permanently altering your financial future. In Part 1, we learned why saving is broken. In Part 2, we found your leaked money. In Part 3, we talked about ETFs. Today, we have to talk about why waiting is literally the most expensive mistake you can make. Let's say you want to retire with $1 million. If you start at age 25, you need to invest about $200 a month to get there. But if you wait until age 35, that number doesn't just go up a little bit, it triples. You would need to invest nearly $600 a month to reach the exact same goal. Take a breath. 10 years of waiting cost you $400 every single month for the rest of your career. That is the cost of inaction. The trap here is waiting for the perfect time. You're waiting for the market to dip, or for a pay raise, or for when you feel like an expert. Here is the truth. There is no perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. You don't need a massive lump sum. You just need to start with whatever you have, even if it's just $50. Start now, get the habit built, and refine your strategy later.
We've built your foundation, audited your habits, learned the basics of ETFs, and now you understand why starting today is non-negotiable. But what happens after you hit buy for the first time? That's where the final piece of the puzzle comes in. In the next video, the finale of this series, we are going to talk about your first 30 days of investing. Click the link on screen to join me for the final part.